Once the client audit is completed, KeyServer begins processing the data to determine which products are installed based on the executables and other data that was found. This process might take some time, especially for the first few clients. Once complete, KeyServer's Audit Products Report is one of the most valuable software discovery tools you'll find anywhere. Like all reports in KeyServer, the Audit Products Prod Cross-Comp report can be configured to report on a limited set of products or computers, or you can run it across all products and all computers for a comprehensive list. Not only does this report tell you what software is installed where, but it also tells you the date that each title was discovered on each machine and the date it was last used. Keep in mind that the date discovered isn't necessarily the date the software was installed, especially if it was installed before the KeyServer client. It's just the date of the KeyServer audit that first discovered the programs associated with each product on each machine. Similarly, while the last used date is updated immediately for any products that are being monitored by a policy, for products that don't already have a policy associated with them, the last used date will be accurate up to the date of the last audit. In other words, because the last used date is reported to the KeyServer during the audit for unmanaged products, it is only accurate up to the date the hardware was last audited. When you're first setting up and configuring your KeyServer, and you're not sure exactly which products you should be gathering usage for just yet, the Audit Products Report is the place to start. Make sure you add the Count Details column to the report for a quick, sortable count of how many instances of each product are out there. If you forget this step, you can add it after the fact by right-clicking one of the column headers and selecting Customize Columns. After running the report, collapse all for a simple list of product names, then expand interesting products one at a time to view the complete list of installations, as well as first seen and last used dates. Use this information to decide which products to begin monitoring, and then select or multi-select related products right within the report and drag them into the Policies window to open the new Policy Wizard. To quickly create a policy just to track usage, simply accept all defaults and then save the Policy Details window when it pops up at the end. You can change the policy configuration later if usage or license management needs make that necessary. When I say related products in this context, I generally mean different versions of the same title, like Office for Mac and Windows, or Professional Plus 2010, 2013, and 2016. Since the goal at this stage is to begin monitoring usage as soon as possible, and not necessarily to manage limited license counts just yet, it's okay to group products together to get a sense of overall usage. You can always run usage reports to give you product or even program level usage data, and it's nice to be able to view aggregated policy level data as well. We'll discuss usage reporting in more depth in an upcoming video. Don't forget that you can flip the view of any report in KeyServer. In this case, flipping the view will give you a list of computers, under which is a list of all the installed products. If something appears to be missing, it may mean that the definition hasn't been imported just yet, or that we don't have a definition in our product recognition service. Watch the video on manual product definitions for what to do if you run into this. That's all for this video on the Product Audit Report. Thanks for watching.